In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make dynamic block in Klaviyo. Dynamic blocks are useful when you want the content of your email to adjust automatically based on data. In Klaviyo, one of the easiest ways to do this is by using a table block and turning on the dynamic table setting. This gives you a flexible structure that can pull in or display changing information in a clean layout while keeping your design consistent. To begin, go to the main navigation and click Content. From there, choose Templates. This takes you to the area where your saved email templates and drafts live. If you have multiple templates, take a moment to locate the one you want to update. You can either select an existing template you already use or open a draft version if you are still building it. Once your template is open in the email editor, you will add the block that will become dynamic. Look for the block options in the editor and drag a table block into your email. Place it in the section where you want the dynamic content to appear. A quick tip here is to drop it into a spot where it will be easy to preview, such as the main body of the email, so you can confirm spacing and alignment before finalizing the design. After the table block is in your email, click on it to bring up its configuration options. Then click Table Settings. This is where you control how the table behaves and how it is meant to display. Inside Table Settings, find the option labeled Dynamic Table and switch it to On. This is the key step that converts the table into a dynamic block. When it is enabled, the table is set up to support dynamic behavior, which is what you want for content that needs to change based on the data connected to your email. Finally, click Save. Saving locks in your changes and ensures the template keeps the dynamic table setting. It is a good habit to save right away after enabling dynamic features, especially if you plan to keep editing other sections of the template. And that is all there is to it.